Hello guys, for those who are trying to figure it out how to replace a switch, a light switch or outlet switch, whatever, I'm going to show you how to replace this dimmer, because I switched these two yesterday just to trying to use them in a better way, but this one is not working properly because the dimmer is always open, so that light is on all the time. So I'm going to replace it for a regular one, this one right here, where I took it out from the garage. If you can see right here, it says stop, so this one goes like this, and I'm gonna show you how to I take this out. It's very simple, very easy. First thing that I did was turning off all the power from the house. In this case, you only need to take it off the garage because it's where I took out the switch, and the living room because it's where I'm going to replace the other one. But for safety, I took down all the power, in the house. If you can see right here, the meter right now is synchronization, and it says it's no power at all consuming right now. If you can see right there, it says only the power I have consumed already, but is zero on the consumption right now. You see, this is the consumption right now. Here is where I took out the other one. If you see, this is the neutral, and this is the top, and this gun goes in the bottom. If you see, only what I did was I replaced these two screws with a flathead screwdriver from here, and then I removed these two Phillips screws. What is right here, I was right here attaching the switch. How I show you right there is that you see the neutral cable goes right there in the upper one, and the one in the bottom. And just I'm gonna do the same thing right here. I'm gonna take it out all the screws and take this out, and the cable is going to be right there. So only what I need to do is connect this one, connect this one, connect this one, and then push this one back and put the two screws right here, and then the face right here. Is all what I need to do. So it's very simple, just removing the cables. But remember, for safety, first thing you have to do is taking out all the power from the house. Then you can do this one. It's only like 2 or 3 cables connected to this one, and it's only 2 Phillips screws right here, and the screws, flathead screws for the face. That's it. I hope this video can help you to remove or replace any kind of switch. It's the same thing you have to do in all of them, and it's very simple. You don't have to pay nobody to do it, and just what I did is is removing everything, and now I'm gonna remove this one, and I'm gonna replace it for the other one that I have right here, and that's it. And everything's going to be working perfectly. See how I say before, just I remove the 4 screws from the face, then I remove the 2 screws holding the switch right here. They were right here, and now I'm gonna remove these 2 cables, and I'm gonna put this one right here, and I'm gonna connect those 2 cables exactly on the same way. And always remember to put some black tape to cover those connections around here. Just I took it out right now, see this one. So to have a safety on all your devices. If you see, I connect those two cables already and I put the black tape down there. So I'm gonna put the screws. I put that one ready, you see. Now I'm going to proceed to install this one right here. Same thing, see? This one goes like this. You know, the neutral goes right there, and these two screws right here go with those two cables right here. Always remember to make a little hook over there, so in this case you can put the screw, you know, right there in the hook and then attach it perfectly and tie it up. Once you have attached all of them, then I put the, you know, the black tape. Remember always to put the black tape all the way around. The tools that I used to do this was, you know, black tape, trippers, tighters, flathead screwdriver, and Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. Once I put the power on, so I gonna see what I did. You see, it's on, off, on. Similarly, the other one is on, off, on. Done. I hope this video can help you to save a couple dollars doing something that is very simple to do it. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye bye.